Do you feel nervous checking into a hotel in America? Today, Rosa will teach you exactly what to say with easy, natural English. Today, I'm staying at this hotel. Let's walk inside together and learn real American English, step by step. The first place you visit is the front desk. This is where you check in and get your room key. Listen carefully. You'll hear simple phrases that Americans use every day when checking into a hotel. Good afternoon. I have a reservation under Rosa Martinez. Reservation means you booked your room before arriving. Try saying, I have a reservation. The receptionist says, Welcome. May I see your ID, please? That's a very common question. I answer, Of course. Here is my passport. That's polite and easy to remember. In America, people often say, Of course, instead of just saying, Yes. It sounds friendly. The receptionist checks my reservation on the computer. This only takes a moment. Great news. My room is ready.
You're all set.
The receptionist says, You're all set. You're all set means everything is finished and ready. Let's keep going and learn what happens next. Before I leave, I have one question. Does my room include free breakfast? The receptionist says, Yes, breakfast is served from 7 to 10 every morning. Served means food is available. Try saying, Breakfast is served from 7 to 10. Now I ask, Could I have the Wi-Fi password, please? The receptionist replies, Certainly. The password is printed on your keycard holder. Certainly is another polite way to say yes. Americans use it in many hotels. I also need to know, what time is checkout tomorrow? The receptionist says checkout is at 11 o'clock in the morning. Checkout means leaving the hotel and returning your room key. Everything is ready. Now I ask, which way is the elevator? The receptionist says the elevator is around the corner on your left. Great. Let's take the elevator upstairs. In the next lesson, we'll arrive at the room together. The elevator is here. Let's go up to my room. This is the next step after check-in. My room number is 512. Room numbers help you find the correct door. Now, practice with me. Say, I have a reservation. Great. Now say, could I have the Wi-Fi password, please? Fantastic. Excellent. Now practice, what time is checkout? One more. Say, does my room include free breakfast? Fantastic! You're speaking real American English already. Keep practicing every day. Today you learned reservation, check-in, check-out, breakfast, and Wi-Fi password. Remember, speaking slowly and clearly helps people understand you better. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Focus on communicating with confidence. The more you practice real conversations, the more confident your English becomes. If this lesson helped you, subscribe to Everyday English with Rosa. I'll see you in our next real-life English adventure.